Nothing brings back sweet memories like something baking in the oven. It takes you back to those family gatherings when you were a kid and just filled yourself with your favorite food. Well, Ed Jones found a bakery in East Nashville that'll take you right back to Grandma's kitchen, especially if Grandma's kitchen was in Texas.
There's the strawberry kolache.
I don't know what kolache is.
When we first opened, I bet you at least 50% of the people that came in had no idea what they were.
I had no idea what a kolache was coming in.
At least 30% of the customers that come in every day still no idea.
We live in Toronto, which has got a pretty eclectic food culture, but I have never had or heard of a kolache before.
I didn't know when we opened that I would be teaching so many people what they were. It just didn't even hit me.
Well, it finally did hit her. And now Sarah Way's East Nashville Bakery gets hit every morning by hungry customers in search of the mysterious kolache, which was a mystery to Sarah when she moved to Texas.
So I lived in Houston for about 17 years. I had no idea what they were before I moved there. I grew up in northern Michigan. It's an everyday staple there. They have them in gas stations, they have their own shops. You can get them wherever, and they're very easy to eat on the go. So in Houston, everybody's on the road, so they're always eating kolaches, I guess.
So what is a kolache?
They're similar to a Danish, where they have a sweet filling and they're round. It's a sweeter dough than that, so it's a different texture. People still call them Danishes. They'll still say cream cheese Danish. We just go with it.
As it turns out, that's just half of the story. The kolache originated in Czechoslovakia, but when the Czechs migrated to Texas, meat-filled versions were born, which Sarah calls the savory kolache.
All right, they get one more turn and then we'll be good to go. Every day we do a sausage and cheddar and a jalapeno sausage and cheddar kolache, and then we do 4 different sweets. We do a blueberry, cherry, cinnamon apple, and cream cheese. And then we'll have a special of the day for a kolache. Sometimes it's sweet, sometimes it's savory, and it can be something like blackberry goat cheese, or it may be one that we call cheeseburger. And people are like, what? Who wants a cheeseburger one for breakfast? But once they try it, they're like, oh yeah. So it's nice because we can be more creative with the special ones, but then we have the nice, just normal ones that if people want to just grab something they're familiar with, they can.
Well, we've solved the mystery of the kolache, but how did Sarah, the Michigander turned Texan, turned Tennessean, turn up in a bakery?
I just missed them so much that I started trying to make them at home. So you can't make them just in a small batch. So I would share them with friends and they're like, you should sell these. And I was like, haha, whatever, And when they wanted to move my position back to Houston, and I was like, no way am I going back there. I'm staying here, this is awesome. So I was like, well, I guess I'm gonna try it.
Much to the delight of her customers.
I come to Yeast Nashville almost every single day.
So delicious. The best kolaches I've ever had.
We have some that come every Monday through Friday. We have some that come Saturdays and Sundays, just depending on the work schedule. And it's great because now I'll run into them all over the city. I'll run into different people all the time, and I love it. I love it. So yeah, it's more friends than customers.
And Yeast Nashville has more to satisfy those friends than just kolaches.
Hey Thomas, would you like to talk to us, sir?
Like shy but hungry Thomas's favorite.
Cinnamon rolls.
Cinnamon rolls, absolutely.
We do giant cinnamon rolls, and then Wednesday through Sunday we do breakfast tacos. We also have what we call crustless quiche, which is always vegetarian and it's always gluten-free. So we have that one option every day for those that want that. This neighborhood is very good about mom and pop shops. They want everything local if they can get it. And they've been very good about making us what we are. Look at you. Those look great. Did you make those?
No.
The people in my staff are what has made this a success. I have a feeling that you're never gonna get yelled at. We don't really do that here.
No, there's no yelling at East Nashville.
Taco!
Well, not in anger anyway. Sweet and savory not only describes the kolaches, but the atmosphere as well.
I just love the people here. They're so sweet, everybody's so friendly. A lot of love here.
I want people to come in and feel like they're in Grandma's kitchen.
Actually grew up with my grandmother making them, so this was nostalgic, just a great find.
And we've had a lot of people that say, oh my gosh, it smells like my grandma's kitchen in here. And I was like, yes, that's what I was hoping for. And we want everybody to feel welcome and very comfortable. We have people have family coming into town or best friends coming into town. They're like, oh, we have to take them to Yeast.
Yes, take it from Shy Thomas's mother.
Get one of everything if you can. They're all so different. Some mornings I feel sweet, some mornings I feel savory, and they have everything I need.